a survey of 100 students for university give the following data. 41 students take Spanish, 29 students take French, 26 students take Russian, 15 students take both Spanish and French, 8 take both French and Russian, 19 take both Spanish and Russian, while 5 take all the 3 languages. Find the number of students among the 100 that are not taking any of the 3 languages. The total, that's the universal set, that's 100. So that's the numbers of universal set is 100. And then we have the numbers of those that take Spanish. Let's use capital S for Spanish. Spanish is 41. Okay, 41 students take Spanish, and the 29 students take French. Numbers of F, let's use capital F for French, which is 29. 6 take Russian. Let's capital R, the set of those that take Russian, that's 26. So the X is the set of those that take Spanish. The F is the set of those that take French. Then we also have this following information. Spanish and French is 15. We also have French and Russian, that's 8. Spanish and Russian, that's 19. And then we have 5 take all the 3 languages. That will be equal to numbers of what? Numbers of Spanish intersect French, intersect Russia, so that's 5. Then we are told to find the numbers of students among the 100 that are not taking any of the 3 subjects. So we can give it A. So let's those that take none of the 3 languages be A. This is my Spanish, this is my French, this is my Russian. You equal to 100. We are told that where they overlap, that's the X intersect F intersect R. This is this place. This is 5A, where they overlap. And we are giving information that Spanish and French. This is Spanish and French. That's a 15. But among those 15, we have 5 that take all. So you are going to remove that 5 from 15. So this place is what? This will be 10. And you can see that this circle here, this enclosure here, is total. The total is 15. Then let's come back to Spanish and Russian. Okay, Spanish and Russian is 19, and we have 5 among those 19. We have 5 among them that take all the 3 subjects. So that will be 19 minus 5. This place will be 14. We also have this place F and R, which is 8 minus 5. This will be 3. So that's what we have now. Let's do something. We want to find those that take Spanish only. Let's call this one P. Call this one K. Call this one T. Okay. We can find now. Spanish will be the whole of this circle. And Spanish is 41. The total of this circle is 41. So we're going to have P. We're going to have P plus 10 plus 5 plus 14. Okay, equal to what? Equal to 41. Then make your P the subjects. That will be 40. If you add these 3 together, okay, that's 29. So that's 41 minus 29. P is 12. Okay, let's go to French. Let's go to French. French only. We mean this K. Okay, we call it K. French only. That will be this place. This place here. That's the French only. Okay, and that will be total of the box. That will be 10 plus 5 plus 3 and then plus K. French is 29. The total of the box, the total of this box of this circle is what? Is 29. Okay, F is 29. So add the whole of the cycle together and make K the subject. So this will be 10 plus 5 plus 3, that's 18. That's 29 minus 18. So this is what? French only is what? Is 11. Okay, and so that's that. And finally, Russian. Russian also want to find those that are Russian only, which will be equal to 14 plus 5 plus 3. We're given for Russian, we're given 26. So equal to what? Equal to 26. Okay, so this will be, we had this one together. That's at 22. Okay, I skip something. 14 plus 5 plus 3 plus t. So t is equal to 26 minus 22. That's what? That's 4. That's the Russian only. Find the number of students among them that are not taking any of the 3 languages. They are not taking any of the 3 languages. To do that, we're giving it a notation. That's X union F union R close the bracket complements. So it's going to be the F union R complement is A. So that will give us a total of the box equal to what? Equal to 100. All you have inside this rectangular box is the universal set, and that will be equal to what? 100 equal to what? 12 plus 11 plus 4 plus 10 plus 5 plus 14 plus 3 plus A, and that will be equal to 100 equal to 59 plus A. Okay, and that's A is equal to what? A is equal to 41. So 41 are those that are not taking any of the 3 languages. So 41 are those that are not taking any of the 3 languages. Okay, so that's that on that question.